Hi everybody. After replacing a bad fan motor and then the same error code pops up, so it means you need to check all the pins of the fan connector. As you see, this is another mainboard. This one comes with two fan motors. Beside these fan motors, you can check the Zen diode ZD1F, and beside this ZD1F there's the ZD2F. So you need to check it when you replace the fan motor, and then the error code pops up with the same error code. So it's simple, just check this connector, check the voltages coming from the power supply, 310 volts, and check the 15 volts DC coming as well from the power supplier. Check these pins, motor control voltage 0 and 6 volts, and the pin 0 as well. So make sure about your diagnostic. If the fan motor is in short circuit, probably the main board will be the same in short circuit as well, so you need to check it, all the pins. I did this board schematic about these fan motors. You can check it, all the pins, voltage, the components, DC, Zen diode, and it's be simple to you when you look this diagram and see all the components, all the pins, and I think it's easy to you to repair this board. Sorry everybody about my English, but I'm just to try to help you how to diagnose the mini splits boards and how to check the fan motors. If you see bad fan motors in short circuit, like in this video, so you can smell it's burned up, but you see the error code CH67, it means it's the fan motors in short circuit. But sometimes the main board, you get in short circuit. The voltage, for example, 310 volts, 15 volts, pin rotation, P double, you need to check it, all these pins. The rise unit replace the fan motors, and then the error code continues the same. And if your customer is beside you, or behind you, he gonna see what this guy's doing for. He say it's the fan motor, but the fan motor it's good. He gonna think the fan motor it's good, but the fan motor it's not good. It's in short circuit. You can smell it. It's burnout. So I'm just telling you how to check it, the fan motors, and check it the main board, because sometimes in 19% the main board, when the fan motor is in short circuit, the main board you damage the main board. So you need to check it. You need to take care about that and check it first, and then you say the fan motor it's gone and the main board as well. But if you know some, if you got some electronic skills, so it's easy to you to repair the board. So you check this diagram from the components, so you can check it where the component is in, and then you're gonna find it and you're gonna check it and you're gonna replace it, and then the main board will work again. Because if you know, I know, of course you know, the main board it's about 500 euro or 500 bucks or whatever, 300 euros. So, and the fan motor it's about 150. So you know that, so it's easy to repair. The Zen diode it's about $1, so it's easy to you.